In this video, we are going to talk about paper. What is paper? Why paper called paper? Who invented paper? What are the types of paper? What are the uses of paper? And in the last of the video, we will talk about some facts about paper. So watch this video till end and don't forget to like this video. Before continuing with this video, say with your heart, let's question it. I have already made a video on this topic in Hindi language, but this video is in English language to improve my English as well as your English. So if you do not have any problem with English language, then continue with this video. What is paper? Paper is thin sheet material. Okay, thin sheet material produced by chemically or mechanically processing of cellulose fiber that we get from tree with water. So that is called paper, a thin sheet material. Okay, what is paper? Thin sheet material produced by chemically or mechanically processing cellulose fiber with water. So it is paper. Why paper called paper? In Egyptian time, means many years ago, Egyptians used papyrus plant. Listen closely, papyrus plant. Okay, this plant name is papyrus. In many years ago, people used this plant to make papers. Okay, so this plant name is papyrus. So from that is where from paper name come, papyrus to paper. So you know that why paper called paper. Let's talk about who invented paper. Paper is invented by Cai Lun, also called Cai Lun, which is a Chinese person. He is the inventor of paper making process. Okay. Let's talk about some types of paper. There are mainly 7 types of paper. First, printing papers that are used for photocopy or color printing. Okay. Second, wrapping paper. They are used to wrap an object for protecting it from damaging. Third, writing paper, which is mainly available in stationery shop or used by students in school for their work. Okay. Fourth, blotting paper. Example, tissue. Blotting papers have no size or very little size. Fifth, drawing papers that are used by artist or designer and also used in drawing competitions. Sixth, handmade papers. They are very decorative papers. Example, Japanese papers. Okay. Seventh, specialty papers. These papers are very special. Example, used for making secret or toilet paper, etc. and for other use. So these are 7 types of paper. So it is a time to continue. Let us talk about some uses of paper. So let's start. First, for representing value. Example, check, money, banknote or etc. Okay. Second, for storing information. Example, book, notebook, graph or photo. Third, for personal use. Example, mainly diary. Fourth, for communication. Example, magazine, newspaper, letter, etc. Fifth, for packaging. Example, paper bags or you can check on internet. Sixth, for cleaning, example paper towel, toilet paper, etc. Seventh, for construction, means we can make anything with paper, example paper planes, paper boat, or many things can be made with the help of paper. And last use of paper is for other use used by scientists for chromatography or for any experiment used by scientists. So these are some uses of paper. So let's move to some facts. It is a time to talk about some facts about paper. So listen. First, worldwide consumption of paper leads to deforestation. Okay. Second, the thickness of paper is measured by an instrument called caliper. You can see its photo here. Okay. Third, almost paper is made on large machines in present time. Fourth, 2000 meter paper is made in 1 minute and 6 lakh tons paper is made in a year. Sixth, paper weight is 20 lb to 32 lb, which is very little, very little. So these are some facts about paper. Okay. This is a short video about paper. How is the video? Please comment and don't forget to like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. I will see you in the next video. For then, let's question it.